The feeling of depression, anxiety, shyness is very common things nowadays because many of the persons or all of us, we might say all of us have suffered this type of feeling in any time of any point of our life. Like we go to meet new people, then we suffer this type of stuff. We go to new colleges or new schools, then we have to suffer. We go to take new jobs or new responsibility, then we might suffer this kind of feelings. The little of anything is okay, but the too much quantity of something can be harmful. Here I know that it's okay to keep little feelings like little amount of feelings like shyness, depression, anxiety, because as in our daily life we face with lots of challenges, lots of struggles, lots of new strategies. So in daily life we have to deal with many of the things, and we do have to maintain many types of relationship. That's why responsibility goes on higher. That's why we might could suffer little or more this type kind of feelings. But guys, as I already mentioned, the more quantity of anything can be harmful. So hi friends, today I welcome you to Spectacular Eyes of Modern Empire. Here I try to share one of my experience, and on the basis of that experience I have good model. So friends, without consuming much time, we will get to my experience. So friends, it was the days of my college days. It was time of 11th, 12th, where I was just scored enough marks from 10th class, and then it was time to me my first day of college of 11th, 12th. So I have to take admission. It was my first day. I have recently taken the admission in new college, so many of the things were new. Like college itself was new, the faculty was new, and I don't know anyone anyone of my friends who have joined in this on my same college. So I was alone. So there was little feeling of depression. We might not say depression, but there was nervousness going into my mind. So when I entered first into college, then I tried to discover who can be my batchmates. So I tried and tried to find out who can be my batchmates. Then my eyes got on one boy. His name was Gaurav. After a little conversation, I know that what is his name, what is his batch, and after a little conversation, I also got that idea that he has also taken the admission in same college, and it was also his first. So then I asked then he offered himself that you're also alone here, I am also alone here. So let's give each other company. I accept that proposal and I need company. So that's why I accept that proposal. Then it was the first day when I noticed that he was feeling little type of shyness and nervousness. I was also having same kind of feeling, so that's why I ignored that feeling, that points on first. Then the time went on. We got a chance to discover more such new batchmates in our classmates. As the days goes on, the things run smooth. Like we got familiar with the faculty, we got familiar with our new colleagues. So the things were going well. It was around the time of 1 month where I observed same feeling of nervousness and shyness in his mind. Then I asked that if there is any problem, then we can sort out. If anybody is irritating you or anybody is annoying you, then we could sort out this type of cases. Then he said that no, there is no problem with the college mates or even the faculty. All the things are good. But they said that he's just like nature. This is what his nature is. So kindly accept that nature. Then I said that okay. After all, it's a regular thing that everybody has nature. So that's why at the point of time we need to accept a couple of things. Thinking that same, then I said that okay. Then I thought that I must spend more time with him because we barely spare college hours together, sitting college hours, and that too we didn't get much time to personally interact each other. Like most of the time goes in lectures, rest of the very few time goes in recess, so that we could know individually personally. Then I decided that. Then I asked them that can we do our homework together. Then he said that okay we can do, but we'll stay in college. I said that okay we'll stay in college and do that thing. So as I increased my spending time with him. Accordingly, I know that he has feelings of depression and disturbance too. Then I think that might could be due to his family or due to his someone who is close to him, or maybe someone in his home maybe troubling him. So as a responsibility of friend, I must figure out what is the issue, and if I can solve them, I must try my best to solve that issue. So as that Gaurav, we did spend a lot of time together. So if you feel comfortable, so will you give me a chance to meeting your family members? He said that no, but after 2-3 days he said that okay we'll go and meet. We started going. I mean the college was end, and then at the daytime the college was end, and then we go to that. In the path he tell me that he has one of the blogging channel. I asked that what is your hobbies, what is your passion. Then he figured out that he is having blogging channel where he used to write blogs. He in couple of years before he purchased a domain, and there he used to write some of the blogs. So I said that if the blogs are good enough, so can I see them? Firstly, he think a little bit. Then he said that okay, you can watch those things. Then I visited that site. That site was quite amazing because the work he has done was maintained. The planning he has done to publish his content was also good. But then I observed that there was lag because there was last updated content was months ago. Then I asked that what is probably the issue. I was suffering with the content problem. I was suffering with the planning issue. He tell me that he is having good response from online response, but when he shared his work to the friends, the friends didn't appreciate that thing because his friends was interested in other type of content, and he was writing other type of content. He was writing veg content, and anyone with the family could easily watch it. But then also his friends said that we could not enjoy our content because we like other type of content. So that's why. So then said that then I figure out the question that if this is the issue, then you are gaining good support from the audience. Then then you must keep uploading this type of things, because maybe your online audience could appreciate your content. Then he didn't say anything. Then his home came. We reached to the home. We reached to his home. After minutes of interaction, I got the idea that his family was his family was also supportive nature. They did welcome me in a friendly manner. They also greeted me in family good manner, and moreover they were seemed to be kind. Then after minutes of conversation, I raised the question that is there any issue with that Gaurav, that he has this type of nature. Then his family said that his nature of this kind of nature is from his childhood. We don't know why, but we are trying our best to so that we can change his nature, but we couldn't do. If you could do something, then we will be thankful for you. Then guys, here my experience ends. Now guys, before getting to more, please subscribe to our channel Modern Empire. Like to this video, share the video to your friends and family so they may could also watch these videos. Comment in the comment box so that we could know that what you want, what you don't want, what you like, what you don't like, and based on your interest, I will give to you your favorite content. After all, it's our channel, so try give me kind feedback so that I could give you good content and you could give me a good audience. So guys, we will get to the Marvel. Now guys, Marvel is basically very much simple because I respect his nature and his character. After all, he did not in a favor of many things, but still, just because so friends, moral of the story is that we are good friends and we did spend ample of time together. So in couple of advices and couple of questions, he was not in favor of me, but still I should not feel bad. That's why he agreed. So guys, sometimes this happened that when you are not in favor of something, but just because your supportive people say that give that thing a favor, so that you shall also give this favor. What matters most here is the loyalty that they are showing towards you, because you and your supporters have great bond between each other. But to maintain the bond, it comes with lots of sacrifices. So that's why, if you could agree those couple of things which will not harm your existence or which will not harm you in long term or in short term, so you might you might consider saying yes, because saying yes sometimes will not harm you, but always saying yes might harm you. So think efficiently. And there is one bonus tip for you. I have studied Gaurav character and Gaurav's nature, and regarding that thing, I will also upload a video on Entrepreneur's Ring, so that if you want that to watch this video, so you could also watch this video. Till then friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourselves, bye.